Good day everyone, I go by the name Skywealth. Please, if you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, this is the account. This is another account of one of my students who got my software. Yes, I have a software which I developed, which I'll be using is an affiliate marketing software which generates leads from different platforms and direct them to your link, and it has special functions, special way of getting organic traffic. So this software is up for sale, and I have a complete video course too which will guide you step by step on how to use the software and how to go about it. And remember, if you get my software, my video course, I'm going to open a Clickbank sales page for you, yeah, where you can I'm going to the other package that come with getting my package, the other special offers and special advantage that comes with getting my video course and my software. So remember, the software is available for sale, and you can always contact me on my Gmail at skywealth07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Text me on my Gmail at skywealth07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Remember, if you do not learn, you won't earn. So, and if it is the earlier the better, because this affiliate business game has gone above. It's another level now. Yeah, because it's not really about the hard work but the smart work, because it is the smart ones that are getting paid now. Yeah, because instead of sharing link and disturbing yourself on social media, sharing of link, this software will generate leads for you automatically. We direct them to you, and you are going to earn immediately. So remember, if you want to get your software today, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skywealth07@gmail.com, or on Telegram through the number in the description of this video.